Running a business means using multiple AI tools. You have ChatGPT for research, you have Canva for design, you have Gamma for slides, and other websites and video creators. Everything takes so much time. What if you could just send one message, walk away for 10 minutes, and come back to find your entire project finished? That's what you can do with Skywork 3.0. This is not just a AI messaging tool, it is a workflow tool that works 24/7. Instead of just using AI to ask to do a task, like do some research and then switch to another tool, design, and then go to another tool, do slides. This simple tool gives you a launch pad that is able to do all of them at once. So I want to launch a new project. With one prompt, I can actually use it to research the market, analyze competitors, create a report, build a slide deck, and market research images while generating a landing page and a promo video, which is pretty insane. So let's go ahead and start it. So you can do a lot. So as you can see, slides, documents, all in one, all skills. They have already done templates, so you could have a master class. Use this template. You can do a lead spreadsheet. There's agreement letter, fruit sale, all sorts of different things. So we're gonna actually use this one right here, and I'm gonna paste my prompt in. I'm gonna use auto mode, but I mean you can use Sky Cloud version 1.0, Cloud Opus. There's ChatGPT 5.5, Gemini, and Kimi. I'm just gonna use auto mode and go ahead and send this. And it's going to build out everything I needed. So if we click on the cloud computer here and see that it is connected to a cloud computer, it's going to be running at 24/7. It's going to create everything that I need, a task, progress, and finished files. So as you can see, it is the scope. It can pick up everything I need. I told it to do all 7 in a row. So it says the research report, the slides, the images, the spreadsheet, website, video, and podcast, any source material. So it's going to be using the source material from the first one. And it says I can do some suggested follow-up. So can you elaborate on the specific type? How are the trends open source? So I'm going to give it a little bit of context here, and then I'll show you the results. And so I just added just ones I can run locally that are promising, but obviously you need a really good computer and lots of RAM, and boy, is RAM expensive right now. I think I spent like $300 on only 4 gigabytes, and that doesn't do anything in today's world. That's why I love using tools like SkyClaw and Skywork, because it's able to do this with a fraction of the cost, and it's able to do it for me without having to run it local. But as you can see, it's already building out a script. It's going to write and validate this research that it's done. So as you can see, it's gathering good data surface. Let me crawl the most useful pages. Excellent research gathered. It is now building out a markdown file. And so it's the executive summary, the key findings. What else? It's really a full report. So it's telling me about Quinn 3, DeepSeek. See, as you can see, like you need at least 16 gigabytes, 32, 24, 128 for some of these. So it's expensive. That's why I love using tools like this that will do it for me, because I don't have to spend hundreds of dollars just to get some RAM. I mean, for 4 gigabytes, it cost me $200, I think. And if you divide that into 6, you're looking at $1,000 just for 24 gigabytes of RAM. And this tool does it for me for a fraction of the cost, and without piecing it all together. So I'm going to pause the video so that I can show you the rest of what it's created here in a moment. So this is what it's done so far. We have our spreadsheet here, or our slide deck. You can see it looks pretty solid. I mean, this is quite beautiful actually. All the percentages, all of the distribution optimization on autopilot, the success rate, all that, which is pretty nice. Then we have our logos here, 3 different logos that we can use. And then we have our spreadsheet. So this is our spreadsheet with all of the different models, the providers, the access type, token window, price per 1 million tokens, the price tier, so you can see if it's a budget, mid, or premium, and so forth. So you can see quite a bit of information here. And now it's working through the last few things, which are, I believe, the video, the podcast, and the website. So once those are done, I will show you, so we have the website, the video script, and the podcast. So once those are done, I will show you the results. So and just like that, we have our website here, all generated and beautiful. We have our AI video script, 60 to 90 minute video script. And then we have actually our AI podcast with the speaker, but we also have the MP5 here. So let me go ahead and play this, a short clip of it, so you guys can hear it. I'm gonna go ahead and push play.
Welcome back to Signal. I'm Alex.
And I'm Marcus. And today we are talking about something that I think is going to genuinely surprise a lot of people listening to this.
Yeah, so here's the question I want to start with.
So that is the podcast. So it's a 10-minute podcast. Everything was completed. The AI research, the PowerPoint, the 3 logos, the spreadsheet, the landing page, the video script, as well as the podcast. That is 2 host audio at 11 minutes. So there you guys have it, all in one in just a few minutes, or just, took a little bit of time, but it was definitely a time saver because I didn't have to do anything. And so that's the end of today's video. If you loved this video, go ahead and give it a like and a comment. Go ahead and share it with a friend. And remember to like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps out the channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one.